Imagine stepping into a world where every wall tells a story, every garden whispers secrets of the past, and every archway invites you into a chapter of history untouched by time. This is the Alhambra of Granada, a jewel of Spain that is more than just a palace. It's a journey back into a golden age of art, culture, and splendor. Nestled atop a hill overlooking the vibrant city of Granada, the Alhambra stands as a testament to the creative genius of the Nasrid dynasty, the last Muslims to rule over Spain. This enchanting complex, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, captivates visitors with its intricate Islamic art, stunning gardens, and the mesmerizing play of water in its numerous fountains and pools. As you wander through the Nasrid palaces, you'll find yourself in the Court of the Lions, where marble lions guard a mystical fountain, an emblem of architectural perfection. The air carries the echo of ancient whispers, leading you to the Alcazaba, the fortress that once watched over the city, now offering breathtaking views that stretch to the horizon. But the Alhambra's magic doesn't end with its palaces and fortresses. The Generalife, with its lush gardens and serene water features, served as a summer retreat for the rulers, a paradise on earth designed to soothe and inspire. Every corner of the Alhambra tells a story of a bygone era, inviting you to lose yourself in its beauty and history. It's not just a visit, it's an experience that enchants the soul, making the Alhambra a must-see destination that continues to captivate hearts and minds from around the world. Don't just dream about history. Walk through it in the timeless wonder that is the Alhambra of Granada.